Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Koho Virtual Card 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of setting up and utilizing your virtual card securely and efficiently. First, you need to download and install the Koho app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. This will help you to set up your virtual card and access its features. After setting up your account, navigate to the virtual card section within the app. Here, you will find an option to create a new virtual card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to create your card. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and address. Once your virtual card is created, you can use it to make online purchases, pay bills, or send money to friends and family. To make a purchase, simply enter your virtual card details at checkout, just like you would with a physical credit or debit card. One of the key benefits of using a virtual card is the added layer of security it provides. Since your virtual card is not linked to your physical card, you can shop online without worrying about your sensitive information being compromised. Additionally, you can set spending limits and receive real-time transaction notifications to help you stay on top of your finances. To manage your virtual card, navigate to the card settings section within the app. Here, you can view your transaction history, check your balance, and adjust your spending limits as needed. You can also freeze or cancel your virtual card if it is lost or compromised. Best practices for using your Koho Virtual Card 2025 include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your transactions regularly, and being cautious when making online purchases. By following these tips, you can enjoy the convenience and security of your virtual card while minimizing the risk of fraud or identity theft. In conclusion, using your Koho Virtual Card 2025 is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this guide and taking advantage of the features and benefits offered by your virtual card, you can take control of your finances and shop online with confidence.